there is a hadith that is known as Musalsal Bil-Awwaliyyah. Musalsal Bil-Awwaliyyah, which means that when that particular Muhaddis was taught the hadith for the first time, the teacher that taught him hadith, this was the first hadith that he was taught. And when his teacher was taught the hadith by his teacher, this was the first hadith that he was taught. And when the teacher's teachers was taught the hadith, the teacher's teacher's teacher taught him this hadith. And this chain goes all the way up to the Sahaba Ikram, that when they would teach any hadith to the person who would come to learn the hadith from them, this would be the first hadith that they would teach. So this is called Musalsal Bil-Awwaliyyah. What is this hadith? This hadith is that Ar-Rahimuna Yarhamuhumur Rahman, Irhamu man fil ard, Yarhamkum man fis sama. That the compassionate ones has mercy on those who are merciful. Ar-Rahimuna Yarhamuhur Rahman. That the compassionate one has mercy on those who are merciful. Show mercy to those who are on the earth, and the one who is in the heavens will show mercy to you. Irhamu man fil ard, yarhamkum man fis sama. So this is the first hadith that is taught to everyone. Why? Because of the importance, the significance of this. Being merciful, being compassionate towards others. This is how Allah has introduced Himself as well. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants us to bring these attitudes, this attributes into our lives.